Hello friends, today we talk about Azure AI services. Azure AI service is a set of artificial intelligence service and tools offered by Microsoft Cloud Computing. These services are designed to help business and developers to integrate AI capabilities, products, and services. Azure AI provides a range of AI services, each with specific functionalities and use case. Here are some of the key Azure AI services and their primary focus. Azure OpenAI. This service is a fully managed service and allows developers to easily integrate OpenAI models and their applications. With Azure OpenAI service, developers can quickly and easily access a wide range of AI models, including natural language processing, computer vision, and more. Unlike other full-text search, Azure Search capabilities with AI integrators helps to offer capabilities such as key phrase extractions, language detections, optical characteristic recognitions, image analysis, translations, and role-based access control. Computer vision itself a studio which offers varieties of services like image summary, image detections, even video analysis. We'll go very deep into that and perform few projects on certain images and the videos. Face API is the API to find out the facial expressions like emotions. A service is more of the managed service which offers a UI by which we can upload and tag images and also perform certain iterations to perform predictions on those iterations, and we can also add tags, either one tag or multiple tags it supports. Speech service has varieties of services within the speech service itself, like speech to text, text to speech translations, and speak recognitions as well. The language service also offers varieties of services like entity recognitions, sentiment analysis, conversational language understanding, text summarizations, text analysis for health industries, and also it does support questions and answers. The translator, it is another service which has capabilities of 125 languages at this point. It has the translations capabilities of any web page, websites, document, and conversations. So it supports text translations, document translations, and any kind of a transformations for the custom translations as well. Document intelligence is an AI document intelligence service, which is an AI service that applies advanced machine learning to extract key value pairs, text, tables, and structures from document automatically. Azure AI Bot Service provide an integrated development environment for bot building. Its integrations with Power Virtual Agents, a full hosted low-code platform, enable developers of all technical abilities build conversational AI bots, no code needed at all. If we go ahead and create a new bot, we can see there are lots of services those are available to start with the bot. The next one is anomaly detections. Anomaly detection is easily embedded time series model which detects spikes, dips, deviations from cycle patterns, and trend changes through both univariant and multivariant APIs. Azure AI Content Moderator is an AI service that lets you handle content that is potentially offensive, risky. It includes the AI-powered content moderation service, which scans text, images, and videos and applies content flags automatically. There is another service which is very similar to that, that is Azure AI Content Safety. Is a comprehensive solution designed to detect harmful user-generated and AI-generated content in applications and services. Azure AI Content Safety is suitable for many scenarios such as online marketing, gaming companies, social messaging platform, enterprise media companies, and also K-12 educational solution providers. Let's talk about Healthy Insight. Healthy Insight providing an API that serve insight models which perform analysis and provide inferences to be used by a human. The models can receive input and return insight, interface, including evidence as a result, for key high value scenarios in the health domain.
Another very interesting service that's came in, that is Immersive Reader. Immersive Reader boosts reading comprehensions with a full set of proven literacy enhancing features, engaging audience through multisensory, multilingual learning that includes reading aloud translations into different languages, highlighting specific lines of the text and visualizing word meaning through illustrations. There was a case study that happened related to the dyslexia patients and how this tool is helping dyslexia patients to read books and read paragraphs in different ways. So these are the main services for Azure AI models. In next video, we'll go very deep into the custom vision and computer vision, and we'll perform certain projects there. Stay tuned. Thank you.